ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Hadian baladep snapen wandur bat snapen itenat ban kring ya ginong bam. Haga khat pratarik urisau arajar arpulai. Ya ka restoran batmai ka balajer kerteng kum ka ship and dine multi-cuisine hapo hotel Alpine Continental. Kabadan Hatana Road Police Bazaar Shillong. La Plie ba daw managing director jong ka hotel u Pratik Agarwal. Harangkat ka jing sakhi lang jong u general manager u Subhas Biswas. Kinong tray jong ka restaurant, but kinong tray jong ka hotel Alpine Continental. U Pratik Agarwal ulaya tu bahaka ni ka hotel kinong bam kilapan yo bonjat kijing bam. Kum ki Indian cuisine, Chinese cuisine, but kiway de ki jajing bam, but nalor kata, lapan biang ru ya ka jaka penyang kali kenang ban pensuk ya kinong wan bam haka ni ka hotel.
On behalf of Hotel Alpine Continental, me Pratik Agarwal welcomes you all to the grand opening of our new restaurant. Today we are here to announce the opening of Sip and Dine, a restaurant which is located in the heart of the city, Police Bazaar, Thana Road. This was an old restaurant, but we have remade it, refurbished it and made it from scratch. So this restaurant involves variety of new things and cuisines such as Indian, Chinese, Continental, and we have kept this thing in mind about the people of Shillong, that what they might like and what they might not. So we have curated the menu accordingly. And yeah, there are various other facilities as well, such as a good parking area and a running bar as well. We look towards people coming in during this puja and in the future as well. I would like to see the presence of everybody, and I hope that this restaurant is accepted by people as well. Thank you.
This is a pav bhaji and veg cutlet and paneer shashlik and dahi kebab and fish finger and chicken puri kebab.